Arrow Watch. What that in Manchester?
Yeah, no, Manchester.
So you never gone there yet?
I've never been here.
So you still have relative down there?
Yeah.
Until you were short.
So you not go. So Miss Joyce, you not gonna find out which part you live. If big have to bring you. You can find
Bigger to bring me.
Yeah.
I'm going bigger.
Yeah.
This is come up here so soon come.
Yeah.
And when he turn up there, wait for me. And the me come back.
Easy.
Time, you know, you have time. You see?
Alright, book JJ. Look here now. Yeah, so you see that turf here?
Yeah.
I'm a little brother, you know.
Yeah.
Them are 16 now, 15.
Yeah.
You know, and them have this from them a little boy.
Yeah.
I live in the UK, so that's how long they Jamaica from them a little boy. You know?
What name?
Zidian, my little brother.
Zidian.
Yeah, his name. I have another donation, and we have this one in US because the team they get US the other day, and your name was on the list as well to get US. So it's in US, it never changed in Jamaican, you know. So we have $200 here for you towards your material from Roger and Nikki. So Roger now he goes by an IG, you know. What's his name again? Radar Farrell. And you have Nikki Touch of Beauty as well to an IG, which is now a seat around cross and the bottom screen. So this is your $200 US. When last to see this? So this is where Miss Joyce was. It dropped down already. This is where Miss Joyce was. So you see it came down now. Finally now you can see. So down here so Miss Joyce was Miss Joyce's room. Look, you see, I still have my size things I'm in there, you know? No, she never in here. Not at the time.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
See the man? In there.
So you have to dig on it.
Miss Joyce, why you think? How would that?
Dig on that.
Bigger.
So bigger. A Kino, you know. Oh yeah, the eye for me. Miss Joyce, you really have to tell me like so bigger in there.
Oh, go on.
So Miss Joyce, you really have to tell me like so bigger in there.
No.
You just come from the bathroom.
Nothing like.
Oh,
Yeah. Miss Joyce, really lying to us. We are trying to help.
I'm not trying to help you.
Well, that never good. You have to tell me say not there when him there.
I'm not see him.
That would have tell. Miss Joyce tell me say bigger not there. Oh gosh.
You got to put on shirt.
Yeah, man. So, what's up? What's up?
Everything alright today?
Yeah, man. Everything good, man.
Alright then, I'm say everything good. Miss Joyce, since you say bigger than there, you will come to give a donation, right?
See me here.
Because you tell me say bigger not there, I mean why? You never
You never know.
Big.
Well, Fiddly. So big, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. And thanks for the dream team and Kino and everyone for stopping by. Yeah, and looking up at my grandma for about 2 years now.
Yeah.
More than 2 years.
More than 2 years.
2 years. Yeah, man, so I really appreciate that. Leon and Cutty and everybody. Neighbors, everyone.
So you feeling how much better from the other day?
I'm feeling great.
I may have a long conversation over the phone, right?
Yeah, man, I resolved the challenge that I'm having.
Yeah.
Yeah, that issue has been resolved.
Alright then, so you said no smoking.
I'm still smoking. I mean, that's a habit where you know, just cut out just like that. You know, just get up and just stop smoking. You understand? Even if you take your doctor till they say, oh, you need to smoke, I don't do it. Yeah, so at least you can just be honest to yourself.
At least I'll be honest, you know, but
It takes time. Everything takes time. Change, a sudden change. Everything to me, it just takes time.
take time.
Yeah.
It's understandable. And from you say you work with the process and it take time, you know. It will take time, right? We have belief in it. Miss Joyce, well, we can see the place look much better than before. So that means that there's changes. Right? And it take time. Yeah, Miss Joyce, we have a donation for you as well too.
Thank you.
Can't believe, yeah, laugh. Miss Joyce in the there. Yeah, I'm love, you have to protect him still. But you know when I come to take him away, you know that already.
You have to protect him, for him to protect me.
Mm-hmm.
Him to protect me, and me to protect him.
So who will protect me? You not protect me again?
Father God.
You stop protect me, Miss Joyce. Yeah, touch your lip for.
Alright, yes.
Okay.
Alright, you satisfied?
Yes, we're satisfied. Come on, if you're done with me.
No, son.
I'm glad you feel much better than the last time.
Yes.
Yeah, more seems say.
May I go and see you here?
Oh, see.
May I go and see you here?
Yes.
Now you go on street to hustle.
Oh yeah, also now, Miss Joyce. Oh yeah, sell skeleton time.
She want us to see.
The last time I see her also one whole heap of mango, but mango that was then. So I go on now, because we have sell skeleton time.
Anything.
Anything. You're bigger, so she house with.
She hustle, so she
Never.
just get old one hustle say away.
So we have to go search that old bank account there, because it probably have the whole of the money in there from. Where you say, Miss Joyce?
Yes.
But no man. Yes. So we say we can go withdraw something. How you mean? Because we know you're around for sale, you know. You still a same way. From them long time, $50 and 10 cents and 50 cents and in a year time, what kind of money that spend?
10 cents.
When you're younger, 5 cents, 20 cents. And when you have a whole heap of them the same way. See? Well, me have the modern money fear right now. Me have a modern money fear. It's not from your time, it's our time now.
Yes.
Because you are living a fluid time.
Yes.
With the original money time.
Yes.
Yes, Miss Joyce. So me have $5,000 a year for you, Miss Joyce. Yeah. $5,000 a year. It's coming from love, from Aubrey, from the UK, you know, with a lots of love. No, her name is Aubrey, but it's coming from love, you know, from love. With a lots of love behind it from Aubrey from the UK.
Yeah.
So
Thank
just
you
tell
very
Miss
much.
Harpreet, thank you.
I tell her thank
Count it so you can see, because it's Chris, you know.
Me see that. Me see it.
So you can, yeah. Yes,
No.
count already, I mean.
Me count again.
Yeah.
1, 2.
It's just a sample, you know. Yes, big I can tell her thanks to, you know, from Aubrey from the UK.
From the UK. Thank you very much for looking out for the Dream Team family and my grandma, and just continue doing good.
Yeah.
Respect.
Thank you very, very, very.
Yeah.
I want to be hungry.
It's a miss, you know? It's a lady, so.
I said no want.
Well, because I saw Jamaican talk sometime, you know.
Okay.
I mean, I saw talk sometime. But
Yeah.
I mostly who them say coming from them the countryside. Say more and see him. When I realize who's him, I say, let's hear we talk. You know. I think I never grew up a country. You grew up a country?
I grew up a country.
Oh.
Me a Kingstonian.
I think
a country girl.
Okay, I never know.
Yeah.
Which country that?
Manchester.
Okay, so you're the Manchester lady.
Yes, me.
That's why you love sell mango. Got a whole heap of mango down there. And you love hustle.
Mango down there, you know.
No.
The mango down there.
So all the time,
When the mango them a bear, you know. You know, bear one.
holy.
You know, big water.
Oh, I just hear the accent now, Miss Joyce. I just hear the little country. Wow. All the time I think you're a Kingstonian.
Me
So you say you come from the Gully side.
We come from Golden side. I'm a grandson.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, him say I'm a Kingstonian.
But you are from the
Country.
Oh, proud, of course.
Yes,
Proud.
me love. I'm good at me no hungry.
Hungry. Oh, if you're hungry, you plant yam, grow banana, you have mango pan tree, pineapple, you make juice.
Yeah, I want to say, you talk about fruits pan tree, you know, where am I going? I was Spanish Town since week. I say the only fruits tree there, I say Jamaica, but I say them hungry. You can't get one fruit off of the tree.
No.
That real sad for Jamaica though.
True,
Yeah,
true.
real sad because I mean, a man a pass and him hungry, I beg you one breadfruit, right? But drop off of the tree and you say no.
And you said no.
That's ridiculous.
Yeah, true.
You understand?
As we say, even the mango them, when you see whole mango pan tree, then why you going them here under the mango tree, you know?
Just take them up and put them on your gate. Somebody just pass in a car and see them and take them.
And take them.
Just have them away. So you have to keep tree in your yard and nobody can't get them.
And true.
That don't make no sense.
It don't make no sense because that are going for true. Right now, I it are going. When a mango time, you see, even a pass certain place uptown, there's so much mango you see in a tree them and them one nobody get them.
They don't want nobody get them.
Nobody. And that's true, man. When I lie, we're not supposed to run out of food because we say land will always grow food.
Yeah.
You know, for sure. We're not supposed to run out of food. I know, so I never know my wife come from country, man. So me and I forgot to get some ground food.
Got a long time she not
Long time she never
She want to carry her down there. She been and say she want to
go.
go down there and see what goes. So,
Yeah, man, she need to walk on the grass again, you know?
yeah.
Don't they nice, you know?
Of course, country nice.
Nice
Country
and
nice.
down.
Of
You
course.
come from Arawatch?
I watch.
Arrow watch. What, like in Manchester?
Yeah, not Manchester.
So you never go down there yet?
I've never been there.
So you still have relative down there?
Yeah.
Not too sure.
So you not go. So Miss Joyce, you're not gonna find your which part you live. If bigger for bring you. You can find
Bigger
which.
people bring me.
Yeah.
I'm going bigger.
Yeah.
This is turn up here so you soon come. And when he turn up there, wait for me. And me a come back.
Say that, come back up.
Yeah, Miss Joyce. So I said, and me I come man.
Me a come back. The garden country.
Feel like we like a country right now down here, so?
No.
You want country have a different.
Different energy, man. They're nice.
The only thing is that so develop like King's here, you can get work with it.
Yeah. But at least they can farm
Yeah.
and can come back and you can sell them, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, I plan to go do some farming as well on my
But I
family.
don't
And a Manchester. But I plan to go do some still.
So what kind of farm?
Nobody go down there, why?
No.
Where you go from?
I plant some callaloo and pop chow and then we could think down some yam and
Some
sitting.
callaloo seed, but true.
Yeah, them?
In the back of my yard, you know, base stone, like I just base stone. Just
Want
stone,
some
stone,
good
stone.
callaloo seed still, you know? Proper callaloo seed. Miss Joyce, so why you know I'm going to go down there? You go well if
When you
you
go down there, you go.
go well if you find a new wife down there. I joke, I'm not leaving, man.
Start save up local thing them, so anytime we get the opportunity to start plant.
Yeah.
This a pepper and sweet pepper. You know, say sweet pepper hard for
yeah.
so I'm gonna try it. We have some other
So when
stuff.
you when the fruits them rotten, you plant.
Eh?
Them down for rotten, they plant.
No, it's
Anything.
planting.
When the pepper rotten, you just plant it.
Yeah.
But pepper always easy for grow at
Yeah, and
Kingston.
tomato.
But callaloo and them thing there.
Everything we have this string bean. The seed, pluck out the seed and thing, and this is some wheat seed. I know if we can't get nothing out of it.
You must start for them.
Miss Joyce, hey, Miss Joyce, that's something else, you know. A real veteran, you know. You will learn a lot from her. But Miss Joyce, but you have to go. You know, you really have to go find out where you can make sure visit down there.
Yeah, man.
Because she really want to go. Because she know which part. Because you know, once you reach Manchester, you can.
Manchester.
You're good, though.
Time me reach on them, me not reach back here. Yeah, no, nothing to give me. When me reach to Manchester, me know me eat and left.
Yeah.
And me eat and left, I eat and left, and go back and eat again.
So you guarantee you have family down there? You feel you have relatives down there?
Yeah, man, that's different.
So you have to go follow her then bigger, man. Because like what she have relatives. I don't know none of them.
We have to go see who we can talk to any of our big kids and remember anything, anything. So they can.
So none of your kids have been down there? No, so they actually been down there already.
I think only one of them alone. That's our biggest son. Though I think one from the second street. Robert.
Okay.
Him know down there.
See
so
there?
I think we can just make him just
Bring her. Yeah, man.
once him all the time.
I'll try Miss Joyce well want to go country right now.
What? Baby, I'm not hungry, man.
You can't hungry in a country, man.
No, man, I just want fire.
What, bubble? What? Some dasheen,
What?
sweet potato, banana.
Chopping knife.
Oh, sure. What happened to them?
You know,
Eh?
she love meat and that we get
And she can raise her fowl long there. Yeah, me and put 2 chicken in the coop. Yeah, say Miss Joyce. I not say nothing, man. With them. And you egg them where sure. That's why I'm saying I'm going to raise. That's sure you think I'm going to plant some callaloo and them sitting
No
man.
down there.
No Manchester.
No nobody down there.
I'm not going to your side, I'm going to next side, but me I go country. Not your country.
Not my parish.
Not your parish.
Not my parish.
No.
My parish.
Me I pass through your one too. Me I go pass. So me can't come look for you.
No, I'm here, man, come.
Me I come look for you, Miss Joyce.
No, me don't want you to come me, I am down.
Then me I go well if you then down there.
Well, all right, you don't see there.
Alright, the bigger. Yeah, girls, go on. As I say, everything look much better than the last time.
Yes,
Let's continue
yes,
on the path, you know. You have to do the right thing. Miss Joyce more happy now than ever, you know. So, Mama,
I'm all right. Lady.
lady,
Oh, no, do hearty.
liquor, oh no.
Take care. Shit, man.
What should I talk about shake on Miss Joyce? I wish I did.
Me don't know what she
I wish I Miss Joyce, I wish.
me up there. Yeah. It's like some grocery and them something.
Yes, lady.
Yeah, man.
Miss Joyce said, I'm not kiss woman, you know. Yeah, country. I never know. All the time the way you're bad and you're going, I think you're Kingstonian.
Me, you must be mad.
So
When they left country, when they left the town, and we go down, you can't put anyway. You don't even like camera way.
So don't go like a Kingstonian alone bad. Eh? I never know say you fire yourself from down in the country. Eh?
You think me, I
No, I know you that. I know you have sense. But I know you're a warrior. But I never know so warrior come from them place there.
What? I did warrior there.
That's true. And come here, come mess up Kingston, come turn them in a bad people down here.
Bad people.
Yeah, the good people, them wanna come turn them in a bad people.
This is a big old
Big up with she, you can't stop laugh though.
I'll just in trouble, but to ensure if you have fun.
I know, man. She have a country blood in her. Me have country blood too, you know. Yeah.
country brother.
I have country blood too, man. Westmoreland.
Westmoreland.
Yes, down there to my family I'm come from too. Westmoreland.
This is Westmoreland. Manchester.
Westmoreland.
Manchester.
Westmoreland. My family are Westmoreland. So I have bloodline down there too. So Westmoreland, me say. And All Harbour.
All Harbour.
Yeah, Westmoreland, All Harbour.
We go down there.
Yeah. So Westmoreland versus Manchester. You know. So you know Westmoreland a lead.
Alright.
We have the pretty beach them.
Alright.
Yeah man, bigger, let's go and take care, yeah? Until me see you again. Bigger?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Yeah. General. Respect, yeah. Work man.
Yeah.
Order.
General.
Something with you.
Good now, yeah? Yeah. Yeah man, all is well man. Cool now, man. Cool now, man. Righteousness. See that big upstairs I build up, you know. Mansion. See the oh, so this is where Miss Joyce was. It dropped down already, this is where Miss Joyce was. So you see it came down now, finally now you can see. So down here so Miss Joyce was Miss Joyce's room. Look, you see, I still have Miss Joyce things I'm in there. You know? No, she never in here. Not at the time. Miss Joyce. Yeah. Down here, sir. Miss Joyce part this. Good thing she never in there, you know. Bokambala JJ Academy. Forget the youth them off the street and give them a last tragedy. But drop the negativity and speak the positivity. Hey, you hear that? Our king there. King there again.
A different program. And then King want to come back here, so but I don't know, but
Different program take him?
watch me, you have a youth named Jeremy Novabocas.
Yeah.
Him have a more advanced, but at 15, him deal it. You see them where we are, him can't, him not have time for them.
Oh.
You have a more advanced.
And King how much?
King about 12, 13. See what I say? So I'm going to advance. Him take him. And the mother now. I tell me live. I say, listen, me I say, whoever I say, you don't even tell if it's a better program, I don't say don't get post. Fine.
Yeah.
Nah, stop nobody, we just teach them.
Yeah.
You see me I say? So that's why you don't see.
So see, the program, I hear a program show up, you know?
Exactly.
And somebody come film already.
Yo.
Easy.
You have time. You see?
Alright, book JJ. Look here now. Yeah, so see that turf here?
Yeah.
I'm a little brother, you know.
Yeah.
Them are 16 now, 15.
Yeah.
You know, and them have this one, them a little boy.
Yeah.
I live in the UK, so that's how long they're Jamaica for them a little boy.
Yeah, man, I call it.
You know?
What name?
Zidane, my little brother.
Zidane.
Yeah, his name Zidane in name, you know.
Yeah.
So we call him Zidane. Zidane in name.
That's a stylish show.
Yeah, so my mother named him after Zidane. Because Zidane a baller, so she named him after Zidane, you know.
Alright, so
And
Zidane.
him, from him a little boy.
Yeah.
Yeah. From him about 4?
Yeah.
Yeah, from about 4, you have that.
Yeah.
You know, he never play night really more than just posing night.
Alright.
You know.
So Zidane, guess where you pass down? You pass down a tool. You pass down a very important. I say, I see the pass when you pass down a very important tool. Only must come. Because guess where? You don't take it and dash it with. And you don't do it. You take it and pass it on.
Yeah.
To somebody else who need it. So big up yourself, Zidane.
Yeah.
JJ book and ball, one more like this.
Yeah, man.
Right?
Years. Years that put on there, you know? Years.
And a quality brother.
Yeah, years. I remember saying, show a UK, you know, not them play that thing over there, you know?
It's enough for the turf them where we get out here. Them place and no stitching.
And that's still a stitching.
It's not stitching, brother. So you know, quality.
Quality, man.
See what I say?
Quality.
So again, Zidane, big up yourself.
Yeah, man, I'm a little brother, you know? So I'm pass it on. JJ?
Good life, man.
Right,
Team, they have to do it, you know.
Just like this, you know.
Oh, go on, eh? You know what them gonna do? Original thing, this, you know. Where you going with in the kitchen, boy? We're gonna fry some dumpling.
And the chef, and the young boy, yeah.
I'm gonna fry dumpling. Never waste. And the best is right now when them fry, you know. Overnight dumpling. That's something you used to love fry them as well, too. Cut them and fry, put the salt on them and cut it and fry it. You don't know them style. Wait, so they don't know them style, though. They don't know them style, man. Yeah, even the banana we used to fry too.
Everything gets fried.
Everything we fry. Of course, we fry everything when it boil over.
Everything, all the yam we fry.
Everything gets fried.
It's a joke. Before you see the morning, put some curry back and dumpling and two left and I water up in the fridge. And I say, Jay, you don't want to go breakfast, you want to wish at that. And I say, You see the woman I don't pay.
Right.
Even when I fry with the milk. That's true.
That's
right. Here we find that crispy and scramble one egg. So I and get a cup of tea. What about so? Yeah, early morning, Sarah.
Yeah, man, fried dumpling bad, man.
Them see you put in my fridge.
Yeah, I put in my fridge and the next day. I tell them something I cook, you know, so they just let them have.
Yeah, and the best thing, but it come like a whole heap of food left over, Miss Dana.
Fried dumpling.
Like when you cook for a whole heap.
I want to cook sometime, by me done, cook somebody come, so I have to cook over.
Oh, so see, you know, so right now it work wild. With that 2 mackerel with that. Cook up the mackerel, and have callaloo. You have callaloo seed?
No, not a callaloo.
I want some good callaloo seed.
I'm going to cook fish, you could have fish and buy 1 pack. I can buy them a plant, and I
Agriculture.
You know, agriculture, though.
It's in there.
So that's 6 miles.
wild callaloo.
The wild callaloo, you get the seed from it. The wild one,
The wild one, I don't know the place, nothing about it.
yeah, but the agriculture, I'm not thinking.
I want them callaloo, the soft one, them with the...
And the callaloo, the one them when you buy the seed and plant it and replace, and next year it's good.
Yeah, man, that's the
You
agriculture
can get the
place.
seed from it when it's growing up.
Yeah.
So I'm to Snoop. I'm not supposed to have them put away.
Snoop. Yeah, Snoop.
Now the callaloo.
Yes, Miss Dana. Miss Dana. All is well.
Yes.
All the prayers. Liquor by liquor. Alright then, so we got support towards your material as well too. So I hope you've been praying as much as you can. So you know Baja, him gone on the road now, you know him gone on the countryside, gonna put in him work. So we there going to where we can do the same time on the other side. So in the meantime, I have a donation for you as well too. This is coming from the UK. We got $4,000 from you. When you were here, UK, I said yes. You know, so we have $4,000 from Arpri from the UK. For you, so it's $4,000 from Arpri.
Arpri, big up yourself and thanks so much for this donation. And may your pocket never empty. God will always bless your pocket.
Alright then, so I have another donation and we have this one in US because the team they get US the other day and your name was on the list as well to get US. So it's in US, it never changed in Jamaican. You know, so we have $200 here for you towards your material from Roger and Nikki. So Roger now he goes by an IG, you know, what's his name again? Radar Farrell. And you have Nikki Touch of Beauty as well to an IG, which is now a seat that run across on the bottom screen. So this is your $200. When last to see this? So Roger and Nikki.
And Roger. Big up on yourself. Thanks so much for this donation. Pocket never empty in the name of Jesus.
So you know Roger knows Radar Apparel, you know, an IG, and you have Nikki Touch of Beauty, who you know she's a hairstylist as well too. And you know Roger now who's Radar Apparel, who's a clothes designer, CMA, you know, so you can check them out, CMA and IG, you know.
And
so
pick up all of the extended family, all who help me and all who not start yet. Big on up CMA.
Okay, man, so we'll give thanks for the support, we'll give thanks, you know, that is how much help needed, towards the expedition, because you know, so the journey have to continue, and you will call it, when I say, like how she a woman, a mansion, right? Yeah, yeah, because a man alone is a woman shan, so then a mansion have to go finish, it's not far off now, so windows come, so we have to thank Fabulous Brother as well too for the next window just come. We have another window that came now for the side part. Because we have to lick out one side where the kitchen is going to be, because the place is a oven, you know, so that's now you have breeze that come through from the next door.
Yeah, I'm up and see.
Yeah, so if that window never lick out, boy, you bake. So you know the window lick out now and everything, and yeah, and so we have Fabulous Brother now who, you know, help us out with the windows then, you know, as usual, they never leave us out, so they're the one there.
Big up on yourself, thanks for the windows them. And your pocket never empty, business always have a run for you.
So you know, they never leave us out, never, the Fabulous Brother. So we thank him so much, you know, for reaching out
know, who are actually the positive movement. You know, you're nothing from them.
Oh, positive movement. Yeah, that's a long time. Them are the one where they give us the gravels,
the black them
black
also.
and the gravel.
Yeah, because the youth I used to carry them. Me used to hear from him time. He used to call me, catch him, they have my number. But when I last time hear from him tell me, say, war up a field place, and from that, I hear from him again.
The war always in them place there in Spanish Town, you know. So you know them place, the war always there. I think Spanish Town are more war board place than Trench Town, you know, so you never know. So hope all is well with them.
Just pass and see him, so I don't know.
Yeah, so we know hope all is well with them because well, positive movements. I think him have a family overseas that link with the same guy who dropped them off here. So the person that support it was from overseas. So I'm in contact with him down here. So he's the one that overseas and that we lost contact with. So we don't have no communication or anything.
That in the send come tell me say anytime the work start again, make him know anything I want.
Yeah, so you know, yeah, because we're going past black and anything there already now. You know, right now we're just closing out.
Yes.
You know, so that's the last part of the wall already. And we have black already and we have a cement already for that. So I just finish up left. So the main thing left are those for the tiling, you know, and the tiling, you know, tile, me I telling us right now, tile price expensive. So
yeah. I know me have one friend a country want go ahead give me 2 days. Him saying that come Saturday and Sunday, but I don't know if he sleep. So I'm saying if he come Saturday now go down till Sunday. But I don't know if he sleep, so and can't carry me so.
yeah,
Because please I go see my man, so you know my friend.
so what we have to go do, because I said the tiling is going to be a proper heavy load for the whole place with tile. So we have an idea, we'll probably just tile like the entry part, you know, the bathroom, you know, and step by step, we have to probably put linoleum, a certain name, linoleum in there, you know, for the time being, because we don't want to put too much expense on the extended family, because the struggle is really real here and for them side as well too, you know, so the place already almost there, so once that can get done, you know, say all is well, you know, because the windows them gone and the door gone and say, you know, say that is it, you know, so we on the finishing, you know, and the finishing part is always the hardest part after some time because it looks simple.
Or if you could get the plastic tile then.
So you have stick on tile too?
Yeah, stick off the plastic
oh, and stick it on the ground. Yeah. Oh, it's more like a design one now.
Yeah.
It's like aluminum.
Like aluminum? Yeah. Okay, well, it's the same for the same. It on the linoleum, you know, because it's still a real same way. So don't go and know so you have a roof over your head better than this roof where you have. Because you don't have no leak, and you don't sit through no hole where you sit through, you know, and you have more concrete, you know, because this right now, to where you have up there, why if I'm even moving same as it is.
And you know, so yesterday somebody said to me, and he said, Eddie, did the window then they gone in,
yes.
After the rainfall, I'll have your draw up.
So then I tell you, okay, the way that wet in right now.
People are going on that side way looking and take them time to them are doing.
Yeah.
You know, so you have to stay away from me there.
Of course, this is gone in a long time. Cause remember, so when Baja come back now, I put in the 2 window them say no, so that's seal off now. Right, or if naturally get the time from natural, if natural can put them in same way when natural come off a theme work same way. So either way. But the main thing now we want to get the tile, get some tile or get the linoleum. You know, so that now you know so the bathroom can tile out and the entrance there so can tile. And linoleum now can go in the room then. So you know say the bed now we already have a support already for the bunk bed for the kids them, you know. So step by step we're there, we literally we're there, you know. So with more prayers, you know, just visualize it, you know, keep asking for the Father God, thank Him for what you have already, you know, just be grateful, you know, just thank Him and just hope for the best, you know, because as I say, the journey have to continue, and Donna, want to take care of yourself, and I say continue pray for it to happen, right? Visualize it.
Pray for the dream team and pray for the extended family, them I pray. Sometimes 3 o'clock at night, I get up and just walk around the house and I pray. Just ask God for guidance and protection. Because roads come up the road. I pray for them because after last time I get up here, some gunshot and just pick up and start praying.
Yes, sometimes every storm will always come to a calm. You know, it's been going on for years, you know, but for one day, it will definitely stop. I have a lot of community will stop certain things, so eventually one day it will stop. Alright, so we are hope for the best. Alright, then here. There's a fried dumpling ready. I say ready. Almost ready. Come on. For all the better.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better day.